Best Duo Award goes to Kelsey and Aplon.
Kelsey Aplon. परतून एक सर्टिफिकेट मेमेंटो आणि 10,000 रुपयांचो कॅश
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कारण हो जावन आसा दुसरी फावट हो अवॉर्ड ह्या आमच्या कांताराक सृश्टी सांबाळात सो देवाक दिवची पडटली जोडटी ही सिडीन आमी गायलेली आसा मागता ही सिडी विकती घेवची हें कांतार आयकोचें आनी सृश्टी सांबाळूंक वावुचें हें म्हजें मागणें देव बरें करूं आयज चड आनी चड खुशालकाय ड्रीम कम ट्रू सो रेमोच्या हातीन हो अवॉर्ड फावो जाला बिकॉज यू आर माय ड्रीम बॉय नाव यू कॅन आस्क वाय बिकॉज इन एवरी ड्रीम हांव फकत चोयता हांव रेमो भाशेन सिंगींग करता रेमो भाशेन वाजयता ओन्ली इन ड्रीम I don't know it's come true. It's not going to come true. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, everyone. Thank
The Female Singer of the Year award goes, of course, to Lorna.
On behalf of Lorna Cordero, I thank you one and all for making her get this trophy. Thank you so much.
Festa,
The best duet award goes to Chitra and Elvis. Chitra and Elvis, Love You Forever.
As a lyrics writer and as a music director, ये दोन अल्बमाचा मुझे नॉमिनी असली पण राजेश याने नक्की रोडाचे आणि दुसरे एल्विस आणि चित्राचे दोन्ही अल्बम आहे लिरिक्स आणि म्युझिक केला सो देवा कारखान्याचा जजेसांक आणि लोकांनी हो ऑडियन्सांनी हो अल्बम दोन्ही अल्बम बरोबर एक मानून घेतले असतात आणि समजा कोणी ऐकूक ना तर मी हे अल्बम ऐकूचे
Mogę tudzia zalopiso, podczas tudzie odormoci. Kaluch tudzia ciągna ci bozi, kalis moja zaikosi. Ciemon za to tu ulok sodi, wel na slobon zaj nirashi. Dina, dina, tudzia vine moja na mozajna, fajna. Dina, dina, tudzia vine moja na mozajna.
Anybody guess? Who?
Anthony Song.
Who is that?
Remo.
The best male singer of the year, Anthony Song.
वो अवॉर्ड बाप रेमोचे हातांतल्यान घेताना हांव ल्हानपणींतल्यान ताका चड मानता आनी जेन्ना हांवें आमची चूक केरबिना कावंटी ह्या पिक्चरान गितां गायल्लीं बाब जॅकोबान गायल्लीं तेन्ना तूं ते फंक्शनाक आयिल्लो आनी सावंडी म्हज्या गांव गेल्यार प्रसिनी प्रशांत हांव तुका सदांच मेळोंक येतालो केन्ना प्रोग्राम जाल्यार आनी तुका तुजे आर्थीक आनीकूय बरो फुडार हांव घेता कित्याक इतल्यान कवर जावंक ना आनीक बरो वावर करचो आनी आयज तियात्र एकेडमीच्या हे फंक्शनाक तूं हाजीर जालो देखून तुका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Hello, how are you? Love me? Pulong distai bohoro, asai mure kohoro, mozomog asler koro, matseyo re yaharo, ari sogle galun poro, ge kali sumoje tuka boro, tuka los distai. Loso na kai sangre makana, kire tuje poite, biye na kai durwa pasot bangara sasaite, despeso tuka kaya sola, sogle meo dele aite, ai chana moje kali suboron motta ka tuja laite.
And best lyricist of the award, I will speak to Mr. Joe Rose.
Thank you, Remo. आमचो गोंयचो आमो आमची वडविकाय रेवो तूं आमची वडविकाय तुज्या हातांतल्यान हो पुरस्कार म्हाका मेळ्ळो म्हाका एक व्हड नशीब त्या आदी म्हज्या कांतार आशिल्लो पांय आजुनूय तुमच्या मनान आसा आनी त्या फाटल्यान माय नेक्स्ट बेस्ट कॉम्पोजिशन म्हज्या मोडी येता इज बायबल एंड मोबायल आनी हे लोकांनी मानून घेतला प्रिन्स जेकबाच्या तियात्रान ताका 2010 वर्सा अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळो आयज परत हो अवॉर्ड मेळोन म्हजें सोपण पुरें जालें माय 67 years of life I have spent 60 years on the Konkani stage and of that 60th year I am getting this award. Thank you.
This man has been the backbone of my band for the last 13 years, and it's a pleasure for me to give an award to Mukesh Katwal.
Well, I'm very happy with the award, especially I'm getting in my head. So, myself, Remo Fernandes, and thank you, TAG. Thank you all. Thank you.
And the best Konkani album of the year is Natalan Song Kuswa by Subur Santa Cruz.
Natalan Kuswa by Subur Santa Cruz.
म्हाका कोंकणी उलोवंक तुमच्या मुखार मातशी भिरांत दिसता because your Konkani is so good. That's why I'm मातसो निर्भर जालोलो आहा. So I just want to say how much I was influenced by the Goan theatre music, because I wrote my songs in English, but a lot of my songs were comments on the social scene in Goa. Some of you may know them. Some of them were comments on the political scene, the socio-political scene in Goa and in India. But that inspiration I got from two sources. When I was a teenager, the Woodstock movement was happening in America, as we all know. So that kind of music from Woodstock and from that era was all about politics, fighting for the right, fighting for nature. It was against the Vietnam War, which at that time America was fighting. And back home, you know, the music which was, you know, making comments about social evils or social hypocrisies and the political happenings was a theatre music. And but the theatre music had humor. It used to always pass the comments with humor, whereas the American protest music was more on the serious side. So I would like to show you how, you know, my music was influenced by the theatre, and that's why I would like to sing a song which was done in the theatre style. Bonnie, may I, if you don't mind, may I please use it? Please, I want you to listen to the lyrics. When I become a millionaire, I'll publish my own newspaper, print my photos everywhere, every day. When I become a millionaire, I'll publish my own newspaper, print my photos everywhere, every day. Mr. Millionaire meeting a minister, Mr. Minister meeting a millionaire, Mr. Millionaire buttering minister, oh so sinister. When I become a millionaire, I'll publish my own newspaper, and that will make me a multi-millionaire. Because here in Goa, a newspaper circulation knows absolutely no limitation. It is read here on earth, it is read up there in heaven, it is read down there in hell, it is read by the living and the dead. आमचे न्यूजपेपर मेलेले वाचतात तुम्ही अरे आमचे न्यूजपेपर मेलेल्यापासून वाचतात आणि आम्ही पळय ओरली नोटिसा घालता आमच्या मेलेल्या In loving memory of Mrs. Estrefinha Palminha Manguinha Estrelinha Fernandes, who died 83 years ago at the age of 99. This is from your 12 loving sons and 15 loving daughters. They remember your saintly habits. This is also from your nephews and nieces and cousins and uncles and aunties and in-laws and outlaws and poskiani, suniani, matrani, pira. We all pray for you. And we remember your saintly smile. Oh, we remember your shining dentures. Oh, we remember your holy smile. But most of all we print this because we remember all that property you left for us. When I become a millionaire, I'll publish my own newspaper, and that will make me a multi-millionaire. Thank you very much. If you don't mind, I'll sing one more song. Now the Goan pig is singing. All theatre style. Good morning, madam. How after the feast day, the next day, the pig is in a good mood. Good morning, madam. How are you today? In the olden days, in the village toilets, you have to remember that. You're laughing at Goan culture. This is Goan culture. Good morning, madam. How are you today? You look a little funny from this angle, I must say. You eat my loss. I eat your lozenges. You eat my sausages. And because you treat me like this, I'll give you you a dose of encephalitis. I don't know how many of you remember at the time of Billy D'Souza, encephalitis. People were dying. Billy D'Souza was health minister, one portfolio, and a tourism minister, another portfolio. As a health minister, he issued one news one day. Encephalitis is coming, kill all the Goan pigs. Finish. Next day, he issued another statement as a tourism minister. Encephalitis? Ha! There is no encephalitis in Goa. Goa is safe. So this is how the pig was giving us encephalitis. Now in our country, we like everything foreign. Even our encephalitis is coming from Japan. But when you get my fever in your brain, there's no need to make a fuss if you go insane. Just sit quietly in your corner until you're dead. And remember what our dear government said. Don't scare the tourists who bring in the bread. Itle sahon, तुमकां एकदम देव बरें करूं म्हणून सोदतां. And it was a great honor for me to be invited. It was a great honor for me to be invited here tonight. Thank you, Bonnie. And to get to listen to this wonderful music by Bonnie Alex, and to be in the company of Joe and Prince and all of you, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's a fantastic movement to give awards to Konkani music, and the next year I hope to also hear the winners performing their song. I think that will be a very interesting thing for the people to see. It's just a suggestion. And Devore Guru, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
काळजांतान देव बरें करूं. एका सुत्रान तुवें ह्या फंक्शनाक येवपाक खंय म्हटलें. आमकां गर्व तुजें, कारण तूं एक फोलेर गोंयचो जो उजवाड दिता गोंयकारांक आनी आख्ख्या देशाकूय. आमकां अभिमान तुजो, तूं एक महान कलाकार आमचो. तेच बरी हांव काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा बॉनी अलेक्स हाका. हाणें म्हज्या उतराक पाळो दिलो आनी हांगासर आयलो म्हणून. इश्टानो, तो खरें म्हटल्यार भेंडान वाजोवपी. पूण ताका हांवें एकूच फावटी पळयलोलो आनी आयज ताका हांवें हाडलो आनी तुमच्या फुड्यान परफॉर्म करूंक लायलें. दाखोवंक की इंग्लीश नंबराचेरूच नाचोंक जाता म्हणून न्हय, ह्या फुडें कोंकणी नंबराचेरूय तुमच्यांनी काजाराक वाजोवंक जातलें. आनी ह्या फुडें बॉनी सजमतां तूं जेन्ना भेंडान काजाराक वाजयता तेन्ना कोंकणी नंबराचेरूय लोकांक नाचयतलो म्हणून. आनी सगळे आयज जांकां एवॉर्ड मेळोंक ना, दुखी जावपाचें ना. नॉमिनेट जाल्या ते व्हडले हातूंत भाग घेतला तें गरजेचें. हो करपाचो आमचो हेतू. हें कॉम्पिटिशन 2 वर्साक बरे बरे कलाकार येवचे, बरें संगीत येवचें. ह्या हेतून ह्या निमित्तान आमी हो पुरस्कार हे अवॉर्ड करतात. आनीक एक मागता, फुडल्या वर्साक हे अवॉर्ड तुमी पार्ट घेतात तेन्ना आतांच तयारी करात. फुडें एल्बमाचेर जे वॉरस तुमी रिलीज करतात तें घालूंक विसरनाकात. जायते एल्बमाचेर वॉरस ना, तो 2013 आतां फुडल्या वर्साक अवॉर्ड आसतले. ते एल्बम काडटा ते उपकार मागता तुमची वॉरस हाचेर घालचे. सगळ्यांक आनीक फावटी तुमकां देव बरें करूं.